I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs, world is going to see me shine. Fighting for my soul's sake.